Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost. So as long as your vehicle's turned on, up here is where we're going to use our controls. So this controls your fan speed. So for your front defrost, you'll want it set to either here or here. So this one just blows on the windshield, and this one blows on your feet as well as the windshield. And it's blowing up along vents that go right along the glass there. And then typically you'd want this set to hot, so that it's blowing hot air. And even if you have it set all the way to hot, you still may want the AC activated, just because that AC system will pull moisture out of the air, so it'll keep your glass from fogging up so much. And then for the rear, you can activate it with this. So that right now the rear defrost is activated. And if you're able to see in the video, there's black lines that go through the glass. Those black lines is a heating mechanism that's been activated, and that now would be heating up, so it'll melt any ice that might be building up. When you're finished with that, just push this again, so when that's not illuminated, you know it's turned off. And then for up here, you can turn it off of your front defrost by either just switching to one of these other settings, so it's not blowing in the windshield anymore, or you could turn the fan all the way off. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.